Is your gas mileage dropping like a stone and your service engine light staring you in the face? You might be dealing with code P2242, which stands for O2 Sensor Positive Current Control Circuit High Bank 2 Sensor 1. This is a generic code that applies to most modern vehicles, from Toyotas to BMWs. It means your car's computer has detected a problem with the upstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1, and sensor 1 means it is the sensor located before the catalytic converter. This sensor is crucial because it tells the computer how much oxygen is in your exhaust, which allows the car to adjust the fuel mixture perfectly. The sensor works using a zirconium dioxide element that generates a voltage based on the difference between oxygen in the outside air and oxygen in your exhaust. It is a very sensitive piece of technology. When this circuit fails or reads high, your computer cannot tell if the engine is running rich or lean. The symptoms are usually a reduction in fuel efficiency, poor engine performance, and potentially other codes related to misfires. The causes are often a defective oxygen sensor, burnt or broken wiring touching the exhaust pipes, or a connector issue. To troubleshoot this, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter and a scanner. First, crawl under the car and visually inspect the wiring for bank 2 sensor 1. If the wires are melted or cut, that is your problem right there. If the wiring looks good, you need to check the sensor's operation. With the engine running and warm, a good precat sensor should have voltage that cycles continuously between 1 and 900 millivolts. If your scanner shows the voltage is stuck, or if it is reading a constant battery voltage, the sensor is likely internally shorted. You can confirm this by unplugging the sensor and testing the resistance on the heater circuit with your multimeter. If you find an open circuit or a short, the fix is almost always to replace the oxygen sensor. It is a threaded part that screws into the exhaust pipe. While it can be rusted in place, with the right tool, it is a straightforward swap. Do not ignore this, as a bad O2 sensor can eventually damage your catalytic converter, which is a much more expensive repair.